Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Outlook and switch to Calendar. Once done, click the Calendar search box so you can type immediately. Make sure to set the scope to this calendar or all calendars depending on what you need. Use clear keywords, attendee names, or a date range to narrow results. You do this because precise terms return fewer, more relevant items. Vague queries force extra filtering later. Next, learn the filters and search operators so you spend less time scrolling. Once you have basic results, refine them with operators and filters to find the exact event. For example, subject, budget, and from Maria will limit results to matching subjects sent by that person. Make sure to use quotes around exact phrases, like team offsite, and/or when either term works. Use the date range picker or start 2025-11-01 end 2025-11-30 to focus on a month. This reduces noise and speeds discovery, so you can act. Once you locate the event, open it and confirm details like attendees, location, and attachments before taking action. When you need a copy, forward as an iCalendar or print the event. This preserves details. If results are empty, first check sync status and calendar permissions, then verify spelling and try broader terms. Finally, rerun the search with an adjusted date range. If problems persist, restart Outlook or sign out and back in to force a fresh sync. This fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.